Hey guys, Hersey here, and I'm back with another unboxing video. And in today's video, I'm unboxing the Tall. What is the Tall, you ask? It's a little power bank that can attach to your key ring and go with you wherever you go. It's kind of a convenient thing. I'll throw up the video here that they have on Indiegogo. I backed this project on Indiegogo a while back, and it is successful. It's actually in production now, and I received the 2 units I ordered here. But I'm going to throw up the video that's on Indiegogo real quick to let you see real fast, and then I'll come back.
After testing countless power banks, we decided we had enough. So we set out to design a power bank that doesn't suck. Tau is a patented ultra-compact power bank, the size of a key fob. You can easily snap it on your keys, so it's always with you when you need it. Integrated connectors make Tau universally compatible, charging USB-C and both Apple and MicroUSB devices, thanks to our dual connector. With Tau, you can charge virtually every portable device. Thanks to a unique dock, you can be sure that Tau will always have juice when you need it. You can stick it on a wall or on your desk, so when you get back home, all you have to do is set down your keys, and Tau will start charging. You will always have a fully charged power bank with you, without even having to think about it. Let me give you an example. This is Bob. He has a standard power bank. This is Phil. He has a Tau. This is Bob getting home and hanging his keys. This is Phil getting home and hanging his keys while charging his Tau. Bob has to look for a power bank in his backpack since it's too bulky to be carried in his pocket. Phil is making tea. Bob has found his power bank and now has to look for the right cable to charge it. Phil is scrolling on Instagram. Bob finally charges his power bank. Phil just got a message from Jessica. He takes his keys and goes out. Bob is taking his dog out for a walk. Bob's phone is almost dead, so he takes out the power bank from his backpack and is looking for the right cable to charge his phone. Phil charges his phone with Tau. Why be like Bob when you can be like Phil? Tau is already manufacturing, so you won't have to wait for ages to receive it. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past 5 years, we have successfully delivered 5 campaigns to hundreds of thousands of backers. Back us today and get Tau at the lowest price it will ever be.
Okay, there you go, guys. There's the video. It explains it a little more. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I got these on the Super Earlier Bird special. They were 36 euros, which is about $43 for both of these. I only got 2 of them. They had it where you can get 3, 1, 2, or 3, or however many, and they did one that has an actual car charger, which I didn't get that one. I might later on, depends on. I just wanted to try this product out. So here we go, the Tall. Let's go ahead and get into the box. What you see here, I got one of the charcoal black or charcoal gray, whichever color they're calling it, and then the white. So what comes in the box, you see here, here's the box, the packaging, rolling square, Tall. You know, scan for more info if you want to scan that, whatever. So yeah, here we go. So on the black one, charcoal gray, whatever, go ahead and pull it out of the box. As you see, you can see the Tall logo is very faint. And then on the white one, let's see. Here's the white version that's sticking. Oh, I guess they had a little sticky plate on them, as you see right there. So yeah, both boxes, they come with mounting hardware where you can mount it to the wall, because this part right here actually sits on the wall, and if you have it attached to like your keys and then you just come home from work or whatever, you just stick it in right there like that, and it sits there and recharges. And this wire right here is a micro USB to USB type A. You find an outlet, I guess you get a power box, plug it in that, and then run this wire up the wall to this. What you see here, this slides out. This plugs in right up in here like that, and then this slides back over. Get it in there right. This slides back over it like that, and it sits on the wall. Oh, sorry, I'm off the. It sits on the wall like that, and you can pull it out and put it. Each one of these tiles come rated at 1400 milliwatt battery, 5 volt, 1 amp. This is the tile 01. So yeah, and right here's your chargers. It's USB type C on one side. These are built in, so that's what's so convenient about it. And this is your lightning cable. I mean your lightning charging cable for iPhones. And it attaches to your key ring pretty easily. Let me go get my key. And it's supposed to just slide on real easily if I can figure this out. So which side is it? So right here. Slides on like that. And there's your keys. You just take it with you wherever you go. Get home. Slide it in. As you see, it holds pretty good. And then there's the other cable. Here's the user manual. Is that double-sided? Oh, yeah, that is. It's double-sided tape. That's interesting. The user manual, as you see right here, shows you how to mount it to the wall and all. And yeah, so this will give you about half a charge on most phones. So yeah, it's good to have it as a little backup. You need a quick charge. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna plug it in just to see if it has any charge in it. As you see there, it's charging this Galaxy Note 8 just fine. It says charging, and I think is it dead already? Yeah, as you see there, it's just a quick little. It's a nice little battery pack to have. It's very convenient. Alright, so this is where I normally hang my keys at. So I'm going to mount it here, show y'all how it will look on the wall. This cord really isn't long enough for what I need. So I got it plugged into one of these one of these extenders here, the 3-plug extenders with a Samsung wall wart on it for now. I'm going to probably end up getting a longer cable so I can run it from the power strip all the way up the wall and get some cable management or something going on there. So yeah, let's go ahead, and I'm not going to use the green, these right here that you're supposed to use in drywall. I'm just going to, since it ain't that heavy, I don't plan on having a lot of weight on it. I'm just going to go ahead and just screw it in. So while I was doing that, I decided I'm going to mount this black one instead. The wall here, because that's the one I want right here. So I didn't think about this. It potentially make this a lot easier for me. So I want to stick it to the back here like that, and then peel the other side off, which I might not have to screw it in this way. See how strong this double-sided tape is. So then you stick it where you want it to be. It's going to be right there. And I don't think I'm going to need the screws after all, because that's some pretty strong double-sided tape. So here we go. So I'm going to plug this in here to the back. And then I'm going to take, as you see the green light just come on. So I'm going to take this and run it down here like that. And that's what it's going to look like on the wall. Alright, so now I'm going to take my keys. I got, I put this black one on my other set of keys. Got my wireless earbuds here. Might have to take them off. Might not be able to hold it. So yeah, then here's this. When you get home from work, just boom. And then as you see there, it holds your keys while it's charging the power bank. And then when you're ready for it, you just pull it out and you're good to go. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry it was just kind of quick to the point. So yeah, just figured I was going to show off the tile, power bank. This is a nice little convenient power bank. I mean, it'll give you about half a charge. I mean, that's it, but it's good for like emergency situations when you just have to have that extra juice. So I'm going to take that off and then we'll see if it'll hang a little better. So yeah. So I'll put the links in the description below to the Indiegogo page and their website for this if you would like one. I'm not sure if they're publicly available yet. I know they're shipping out the backers. And so yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment below. And this is Hersey. Peace.